Hello, hello, hello. I am back. And today, this is our class, Magic. Magic. In our Magic class, we're going to talk about the Book of Shadows. We're going to talk about the moon phases and the magic dealing with the moon phases. Working with the moon, basically. We're also going to talk about charms and spells on grounding and cleansing and centering. More so, we're also going to talk about our tools, our witchy tools. The third eye, divinations, of course, and my most favorite thing to talk about, like in the world, I don't know why, is magic. The types of magic. We're going to break those down too in colors and elements, spell work. So let's do that first. Types of magic. There are 5 types. The first type is spell work. Spell work consists of incantations and chants and charms and spells and potions, etc. Second type of magic is your elemental, magic. Working with our natural elements. Earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. And when it comes down to our elements, in magic, elements are attached to directions, north, south, east, and west. That's actually called calling the corners. Um, your third type of magic is herbal magic. Of course, this is for cleansing, rituals, holistic health, and healing ourselves from health issues. Fourth type of magic is divination. Divination is, this is the definition, tapping into a hidden knowledge in order to discover information about nature and the condition of things. Okay? Tapping into hidden knowledge in order to discover information about the nature and condition of things. That's pretty much what divination is. Divination is magic in itself. Astrology is the fifth type of magic, and we will be missing one. It's not 5, it's 6 for the fifth type of magic, astrology. It's to gain insight and influence from the stars, celestial bodies, the planets, and the movements of the planets. Makes a difference. So, number 6, I didn't put this on my paper, but I am now. Energy manipulation is our 6th type of magic. Energy manipulation is grounding, is shielding, is centering, moving these energies to make ourselves better is actually a wonderful magical practice. All of these magical practices start with one bodily source that a lot of people don't even tap into, and this is something that we're going to learn in our energy class, which is our third eye. We need our third eye for all 3 of these things to jump off. I mean, 3, all 6 of these things to jump off. Directional magic is the type of magic you use when you're calling the corners, north, south, east, and west. When you call on the directions, it is literally calling the corners. When we call the corners, it's called circle casting. Calling the directions for a protective barrier, basically. So we would call out to these corners. Each corner describes the direction, and each direction describes the element. So let's go through the north, south, east, and west and break those down. So for north, north is earth. Earth is powered by mother. So when we come down to our earth magic, earth will give you encouragement. I'm sorry, earth will keep you grounded. I'm so sorry. It gives you strength. Earth is for healing and also nature. So it kind of goes hand in hand with the aesthetics and the zodiac sign of Mother Earth also. So when you call to the powers and the watchtowers of the north, it's the power of Mother and Earth. Okay. For south is fire. Fire is energy. Energy will give you courage and power, and physical body is more of the southern element than anything. So for south, the actual keywords are fire and feeling. Okay. For east is air. Air is mind, spirituality, logic, thought. Um, east is air. So air is air and intervention. Okay. West is water. Water rules emotions. It rules your intuition and your lunar energy. So when it comes down to water, it's water and intuition. Okay. So I know if you've seen the movie The Craft, Hail to the Guardians of the Watchtowers of the North, Powers of Mother and Earth, Hail to the Guardians of the Watchtowers of the South, the Powers of Fire and Feeling, Hail to the Guardians of the Watchtowers of the East, Air and Intervention, and then Hail to the Guardians of the Watchtowers of the West by the powers of water and intuition. Sorry. That is called calling the corners, calling the directions. So that movie was not a lie, y'all. The Craft was the truth. Okay. I'm a fan. It's the truth. So, with that being said, find your magic, find your element, find yourself. Now that you have these knowledge and things about witchcraft and baby witchery, we actually just covered 2 courses. So I'll see you guys back again for the next 2 courses, which is magical tools, magical colors and their meanings also.